Alright, so this is the top part of it. Sick. Here it is, there's the waterfall. What up, everybody? Thanks for joining me for another episode of Wilderness. I'm Will, of course. Today I'm just gonna be going up onto that roof again and trying to fix that leak. Wish me luck. Alright, so the whole roof's got a really nice pitch to it, but only time will tell until the next storm, which isn't for, like, I don't know, the foreseeable future. This makes me feel a lot better. Alright, so we got the brand new carpet out front, the door's halfway done. This area looks pretty good enough to sleep in, minus that Patriots blanket. Ceiling's all good. I might get another piece of something to cover it. I just have to wait to see if that thing leaks. I don't know when it's gonna rain again. But yeah, we're in good shape. I should be out here by the end of the month. That's when I have to be out here. I appreciate all the support very much. All right, everybody, thanks for joining me for another episode of Wilderness. Please like and subscribe. Right now I gotta go home and check myself for ticks. All right, see you tomorrow.